Say hi.
So you keeping the noisy one in there?
This is all the puppies that I have right now. Maybe later in my life or the year, I can get more baby puppies. Daddy!
Puppy attack!
Say hi. Say hi.
He's eating my toe. Ow, dude!
What?
It's chewing on my toe, something.
Okay. This is the feisty one. Here, sis, you can have this one. And no. This one's too calm.
Okay. Yeah, I think they're hungry.
The mom is going to come down in 3.
Oh, you are? Okay.
2.
You guys hungry? Huh?
There's Mom.
1. Oh no, it ran back upstairs.
It's alive. Oh, you can come back now, Puppy Violet.
Yes, but she's not moving anything. Hey.
You want to play the camera?
Daddy, look at this.
You are the little stinker. Yes, you are.
Hey, Minnie Barkley, don't eat the grunt.
You are a little stinker. Being mean on other ones. I see you. See you. Wow.
I found this upstairs. There's a wreck one.
Little runt, dude. Ow, dude.
I think they're just hungry and they just,
Vicious, man. Hey, little runt, dude. Are you trying to hide from Is Minnie Barkley trying to eat you? Hi there. I'll save you.
Daddy, this one is eating my shirt. Ask.
He's out your hands so fast. Oh, there's Mommy.
Oh.
Hey, Mama.
Yeah, let him go eat. If that's what they're trying to do. I think that's what they're trying to do. Here, you guys, hungry? There's your babies. Yeah, do whatever you do. Yeah, see, they're hungry. All right, Mommy, stay still.
Oh.
She's so Oh, man, mauled. That's how to eat, Kaylee.
That's how pigs eat too.
That's right. Mom's like, help me.
Oh, poor mama.
She does look scared.
Oh, I bet it hurts.
I know.
Because they're probably biting on her.
That's how they eat though.
It's better when they bite me.
I know. It was like, you could tell because they're all like following each other around, yelping and biting on stuff. You can tell they're hungry.
Last night they were like
Poor little runt dude. Hey, Sam, try to help out the runt.
Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. Maybe tomorrow I can film another video on Puppy.